No, okay, sorry. No, sorry. No, okay. The team is tired. It's normal because we are playing many games, you know. But in this game, you give an extra energy, an extra effort. We were lucky in the first 10-15 minutes. They had a couple of chances that they could have scored, and it would have been another game for sure, you know. But you must stay on the game. We believed in our capacities, in our strengths. We knew that staying on the game until the end, we could have had some transitions, some counterattacks, some set pieces that we are very good. We got this opportunity, and finally we defend very well in the medium low block. And I think, especially second half, we didn't concede the clear chances, and okay. They became anxious, and I think we were quite good in the second half.
If they take off your citizenship, you take it back?
If you, sorry?
I ask if Spain will take off your citizenship, will you take the Cypriot with pleasure?
I'm really comfortable here, believe me. In Paphos, in Cyprus, the people are so friendly with us, with my family. It doesn't matter to stay here my whole life. Believe me that in Spain I know that we have quite similar food, weather, and style of life, but in Cyprus we are perfect.
Coach, όσα συγχαρητήρια να σας δώσουμε εσάς και τους ποδοσφαιριστές σας θα είναι λίγα. Εξηγήστε μας λίγο την τακτική προσέγγιση που ακολουθήσατε στο παιχνίδι για να φτάσει η Πάφος στη μεγαλύτερη επιτυχία της ιστορίας της.
We are working hard with this kind of players. I have a very good squad. That's the most important. Without quality players, you cannot do anything. After we try to implement some tactics, I think we have defended very well today. We knew that we wanted to play better, we wanted to keep the possession, but with this kind of big teams, you must adapt. And I think we did tonight. We kept our moment, and finally we got an amazing victory that will be remembered long time.